Hi, I'm John Michael Stevens. I'm a physician from Canada here in Athens, Greece at the DHI headquarters. I'm here for surgical hair transplantation training, and I've spent 1 week here now training with the excellent physicians here teaching hair transplant surgery. I have covered everything here from the initial consultations with patients, which is very thorough in terms of history and diagnosis, using the software that they use, the cameras that they do to assess the scalp and the hair quality and donor areas, and gone through the process all the way up to performing the hair transplant surgeries under close supervision from an excellent hair surgeon. The training has been very professional, has been very thorough, but also has allowed me to have the opportunity to perform the procedures on a number of different patients. And this experience, I think, is invaluable, and I'm not sure how many places offer such a complete experience. So I would highly recommend DHI, and especially coming to Athens because it's a beautiful city and beautiful food and a fantastic clinic.